Hi guys, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. Thanks for chatting with me. How are you?
What's up, Chloe?
Good.
We're
Hi,
good.
thanks for having us.
How are
Good.
you?
I'm good. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this show. Congratulations, first off. It was such a blast to kind of follow along with your characters.
Oh,
Hey, thank
Thank
you.
you
so
so
much.
much.
Yes. And okay, so I have to start by telling you that I literally can't stop listening to Senior Year. I've just been kind of listening to it on repeat, and I need to know what each of y'all are listening to right now. What's on your playlist?
I've been listening to a band called Wonder Horse a lot. Band out of the UK, great band.
Love that.
There's a new Dijon album out that's
yeah.
pretty awesome.
Pretty good.
One of my favorite artists, and so I've been having that on loop.
I'm listening to a band called Foxtide. They
Yes.
are awesome. They're also friends. Yeah, highly recommend.
Nice.
Dominic Fike's album just came out.
All right.
That's
Mhm.
been great.
I gotta check that out.
Hippocampus just put out recently an
we
album
go.
called Flood that I love. Yeah, it's a band called Easy Honey. Their single Copenhagen I've been listening to for a long time. There's from some South Carolina dudes.
Nice.
Shout out to
My answer is Philip Brooks. This is a very small like indie artist, but it's what I've been playing in the streets of my hometown recently.
Nice. I know I was like, they probably are going to get this question all day, but I was genuinely very curious.
It's actually the
No,
first
it's
time.
a great
First
question.
time. First time.
So look at that.
Amazing.
Awesome.
And I love seeing the bond between y'all and the rest of the characters kind of come through on screen. But I'm curious, what did you guys do to spend time together with the cast, like in between takes, when you weren't filming?
That's a good question.
Made a lot of funny noises to try to make each other laugh before action.
There's a lot of laughing.
Yeah.
It's hard to keep
Least
it together.
professional actors of all time.
Yeah.
Mess up the take as soon as possible.
Yeah, pretty much.
And
I
cut.
took some naps. I took a couple naps.
I got a lot of
Valid.
pictures of you napping.
You do?
Oh.
Like I would find like a couch like out at the house we're at, like on the balcony or something. Yeah, it was
Oh
good.
man.
I think the crafty tent is always a really good
Yeah.
bonding
Yes.
area.
Yeah.
Everybody loves
socializing there.
snacks,
Yeah.
you know. So everybody goes to crafty and goes and hangs out.
They would have Mario Kart projected on the.
Oh,
Yeah,
I mean, come
we
on.
put Mario
Yeah.
Kart in
Oh
the
my
trailer
God.
one time.
I played a lot of
on.
video games.
Yeah.
We had a really awesome crew too. So just like all the people mingling together,
Mm.
talking. We were like really close with all the PAs that
Yeah.
worked on the show.
Yeah.
There was
Um,
never a dull moment.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, who's the best Mario Kart player?
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna go ahead and say Jesse.
Yeah, I'm
right?
gonna take that.
He loves
Take
it.
that one.
Yeah. Maximo's pretty good too.
Okay.
Yeah, I say I'm good, but I'm terrible.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm also
I'm
really
passionate
bad.
about it. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
I got a lot of
I'm
heart.
very-
Yeah,
a
just
lot of
pressing
heart.
every button and like sometimes the banana shoots out. It's like what the okay. Yeah.
Dry bones.
So y'all performed in an episode of Outer Banks, which was very exciting to kind of see this come full circle. But I was kind of thinking, and I was like, that means that I guess this show and Outer Banks kind of exist like in the same universe. And I'm curious, how do you think the band would fit into like the Pogue adventures if y'all
Yeah.
ever had a crossover?
You know, I was talking with Jared about this earlier. I think it's all a part of the PCU, the Pate Cinematic Universe.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Great.
That
That is great.
You know, so I don't know exactly how we're going to piece together this kind of situation, but maybe, you know, in the Outer Banks universe, the band's been formed a couple years earlier, you know,
Right,
they're on
sure.
a different trajectory, or maybe in our universe, the Pogues like are living like a quiet life.
It's like an alternate universe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Runarounds because we all had spray tans on for that.
Yeah, right.
We did, yeah.
If the runarounds, if they
Except
weren't
for
in
me.
Wilmington.
Yeah.
I didn't get the spray tan.
It's the
Yeah.
it's the runarounds if we spent more time outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not meant to be thought
The
about
outsider
too hard, really,
No, of
in terms
course.
of like a time. You know what I mean? We were just like, it was more for us as real people to kind of see the operation
It
because we
was
hadn't done it.
so cool though.
I think
It
the
was
It was so fun.
I think the runarounds would have been Pogues. I mean,
Oh,
Topher
hell
might
yeah.
have been a
Totally.
coupe
I think I
turned
might
Pogue.
Oh, yeah.
He might have had
Yeah.
to. We
He might
might
have pulled a Sarah.
Sarah Garrett,
Yeah.
yeah.
But yeah,
Good thinking.
I love that. And one theme that really stood out to me throughout this series is just the idea that like everything this summer matters and everything about this band matters and every emotion is heightened. It's like just the entire experience of these kids is dialed up to 11 throughout the
Yeah.
story.
Mhm.
How has that kind of mirrored your experiences filming the show and now promoting it and kind of seeing that trajectory? If that informs each other at all, I'd be super interested to hear about that.
That's an awesome question.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I haven't even thought
Well,
about it that way.
it was like 4 years from the conception to like getting to film the actual show. So it's like we spent an entire length of high school years.
Yeah.
And then we got to shoot the show that summer. So it was like kind of the same amount of time in preparation for a moment of doing what we always wanted to do, you know?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Great answer,
Cheers.
man.
That was a great answer.
What a treat.
What a treat.
Wow, Jesse, that
All
was
this media
incredible.
That's
You look
awesome.
so good.
And obviously, I know we've mentioned Outer Banks and we're talking about the runarounds, but this kind of joins the like ranks of awesome beachy teen dramas like the OC and One Tree Hill.
Yes.
Why do you guys think
I hope
that like beachy high school dramas, like what about that is so magical for viewers, do you think?
There's an innate human yearning for the sea.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave it at that. That's the perfect answer.
Absolutely. And
Life originated in the ocean, right? I mean, I guess.
I mean,
I wish I
Melissa-
was as hot as like the kids on One Tree Hill, man, but you know,
Oh, they're
it's
beautiful.
like they're a little too beautiful.
I think it's really fun. I think there's like a potent feeling at like at that coming of age time that is represented in art so often. And yeah, I don't know. I think that resonates with people, hopefully. So yeah.
It's cool with One Tree Hill too, because like it's Wilmington based, and so I was watching some of it during our like filming, and there's just like a ton of locations that we had just like worked at on the TV show, like where they play basketball. We filmed the county fair, and I was like,
Yeah.
holy cow, like this is so crazy. I was like sitting there on the couch. I'm like, oh, we were just there.
No way.
Testament to how good of a time.
Team
it is.
Yeah,
comrade.
dude.
It's a
Conrad.
wonderful
City.
city
It's
to
awesome. It's great.
to just be in and do art.
Absolutely. And final question, what was each of y'all's on-set non-negotiable? What did you have to have with you when you were on set?
Sugar-free Red Bull.
Baby
Kombucha.
DC.
I had so much kombucha.
Espresso.
This guy's microbiome, amazing.
Oh, yeah.
My microbiome was
Amazing
over.
microbiome.
How much
The
How
salinity
much
was
kombucha did
insane.
you have?
A lot. Yes.
It was every day, right?
Yeah, it was every
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
I think I just had a
This guy's
bottle a
got a
day.
good gut.
The
Right.
answer
You
is
gotta have to have
yes.
a beverage. Absolutely.
Gotta have that
Our,
beverage.
our first AD Jefferson would always he would go over the radio and go, "Can I get a baby DC, please?"
Baby
And
DC.
so, like I would just
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
I drink a lot of Diet Cokes.
Diet Coca-Cola.
Yes. That's right.
Where that comes
Developed
from.
Fruit
Some-
snacks.
Yeah.
Ooh,
The
fruit snacks.
fans, maybe.
Mm,
Yeah.
and friends. That's a
AC.
non-negotiable.
AC was kind
Yeah.
of non-negotiable.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
was a non-negotiable.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much. Congratulations again, and I hope I get to chat with you soon again.
Thank you so much for your time.
Appreciate
Appreciate
it.
it.
Team Conrad.